Hello and welcome to ACE, the English Hub. We are here with yet another session, English grammar and its usage. Today's session is about sentence and its kinds. A group of words that make a complete sense is called a sentence. Sentence can be classified into two: kinds of sentences and types of sentences. There are four kinds of sentences: assertives, otherwise called as declarative or as statements. The second one is interrogative sentence or questions. Third one is imperative sentence, and the fourth one is exclamatory sentence. Coming to assertive sentences, a sentence which asserts, declares, or states something is called an assertive sentence. It is also called as a declarative sentence or as a statement. Usually, assertive sentences start with a subject. The subject can either be a noun or a pronoun, and it ends with a full stop. Next is interrogative sentence, otherwise called as questions. There are two types of interrogative sentences: question word questions or WH questions. Those questions which start with question words or WH words are called as question word questions. Answer to these questions will be a piece of information. Second type of interrogative sentence is yes or no type questions. These questions start with auxiliary verbs. Answer to these questions will be either yes or no. The answer is either yes or no. Interrogatives end with a question mark. The third kind of sentence is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence does not have a noun or a pronoun as its subject. Instead, it starts with a verb. If at all needed, you can be used as an anticipatory subject. An imperative sentence ends with a full stop. There are three different types of imperatives. First one is command or order. Second one is request. Third one is prayer or wish. The last kind of sentence is an exclamatory sentence. A sentence that expresses the feelings or emotions is called as exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence ends with an exclamation mark. There are exclamatory words also. Coming to types of sentences, there are three: simple sentence, compound sentence, and complex sentence. All the above mentioned sentences come under two groups, that is, affirmative or positive sentence and negative sentence. A sentence which gives a positive meaning is called an affirmative sentence or a positive sentence. A sentence which gives a negative meaning is called a negative sentence. Usually, we know that when we use no or not, it becomes a negative sentence. But apart from these usual usages of no and not, there are many other words which give a negative meaning to the sentence. That's all for today. Meet you again next Thursday with parts of a sentence and nouns.